Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here, one of our favorite spots along our bike trail. We're taking the bikes out today, and if you guys are like us, you enjoy the outdoors, because we love the outdoors and we're always going to do something. So today we want to share a new product with you that was sent to us. It is a folding camping chair. Now we do have some other styles of camping chairs that we bought in the past, which they always feel a little flimsy, a little unsteady, but this one here I think kind of solves that. This is the MTRVR. Not sure if it stands for something, or Mountain Rover or something like that, but MTRVR chair. What's cool about this one is it has a patented hub design with a pull pin, and it's pretty easy to pop up. I'm going to show you that, guys, right now, because we're going to sit out here for a little bit, have a snack, but we're going to get these chairs pulled out. It comes in a nice little bag, as you've seen. Comes in this one here. It's got the one strap. It almost wants to pop open like an umbrella on its own, and the base already clicked into space. It's aircraft aluminum. So now after your base pops in, you just pop the top part in. You just pull it to the length you want. Well, actually it's only one length, but just like that, and your chair is set. That's how quick that is. And what's even cooler about these chairs, like I said, with that patented hub design, you just pull this pin and then it'll fold up the other way. So you could do the reverse of what you did. You just pop these arms down. We'll show you that right now. Just pop these arms down like this. There's a couple of them on each side, or each leg, like that. Now that it's down, you just pull the pin. Chair folds right up. Oh, I forgot a pin. Chair folds right up, back into a small size. I mean, this one's pretty tiny. And if you think this one's cool, we got another one we like. It's even better. So let me just pop this back up real quick. As you can see, quick and easy to set up. Now this other one, this one's my favorite. Since I don't want to say big, but I'm a bigger guy. This one here, as you can see, is a little taller. This is their high back plus size chair. So it gives you a little more room in the chair. Same thing, it's going to pop open just like that. All the legs popped into place. Now you're just going to pull the same thing, just like you did on the other part. You're just going to pop those into place as well. You'll know you got it. When you first get them, when you're trying to pull these, they're tight. It's because the fabric hasn't been stretched or anything yet. I mean, ours is a little easier since we have sat in them quite a few times. So you can see now with this one, you can see the high back on that. It's got the nice mesh back. Let's get that waterproof parachute fabric on here. And then there is a padded like pillow up here. This is the part that makes it a little longer than the other one, but same kind of patented hub design. We'll get you guys a close up of this in a bit, where you just pull the pin, it folds right up after you fold the legs down. And what's amazing about these, of course they feel sturdy because they got a nice wide solid feet, but they hold 600 pounds. I'm not sure if you're gonna have 600 pounds in here, but we have sat in here and I had somebody else sit on my lap that's not even close to 600 pounds, and it was no problem. So these are pretty nice chairs. We'll get you a close-up of these. We're gonna set them over here in the shade and sit over here and have a snack. So why don't you come over and we'll set them up. All right, here's a close-up of these chairs. This one here's the smaller one, but as you can see, it's that tear-resistant parachute type fabric, and it's waterproof, so that makes it nice. And on this small chair, it has a little pocket here for maybe your cell phone or your car keys or something like that. And a little more close-up of that ring design right here with the patented hub they got. And these are thick aircraft aluminum legs. We're going to show you guys other chair we have also that we have been using. It's really, it folds up. It's lightweight and everything. This one's not too bad. This one's 5.1 pounds, and it's like 4 by 4 by something. So it's not really that big once it's folded up, and it's not very heavy. The other one is a little bit smaller, yes, but it does feel unstable is all get out. Like I mentioned, these do come in a variety of colors. We just happen to have the black ones here. I know they got, I think there's a blue one, there's a white one, there's a bunch of different colors. You guys can check them out. We'll leave links to all their stuff down below. And not to mention, they make other outdoor stuff. They have a nice outdoor folding table. They have this cool folding telescoping camping light. I hope we can get our hands on one of those. We'll do a video on that for you guys if we can get it. But that one's pretty cool. Now we'll go over to the high back chair. The high back chair is made out of the same material as the small chair, except for the difference on this one, of course, is got the mesh back for breathability. I mean, it's a thick mesh. So, and then it's got a padded pillow for your head to sit. This one has 2 pockets on the side, one for your cell phone and then maybe a small book or something like that. Give me that book right there. We have a small book. You can fit a book in there or something like that. One thing, this one, like I mentioned, they are light. I mean, just sitting here with the slight breeze we have, you can see the wind. It takes it like a sail. It is parachute material after all. But and this also has that patented hub design on the bottom. Right there, you just pull the pin, and that folds it up. Has the wide feet, and it has the sturdy, thick aluminum base, which makes these really nice chairs. All right, now that when we're sitting in these chairs are way comfortable than some of the other small foldable chairs we've seen. One thing I didn't like on some of the other ones was down here underneath the back of your legs, there's always something kind of there pushing up on your legs. This one here just cradles you right in there. And what I like about the high back chair is it fits my head right at the pillow. I mean, it feels great to sit in this. I mean, we take this all over. We take it fishing, we take it camping, we take it to games, we take it to, like you see, biking. We take it all over the place. This thing is, I mean, we've only had it a short time, but we use it so much. I mean, this is our new favorite chair. Now, a little caveat to this, these chairs are in the higher price range compared to a lot of these other folding chairs. But I think if you're into the outdoors as much as we are, you want good quality gear. And then when you get a hold of one of these and you sit in it, it's going to be well worth the money. And like I said, with them, they have a 45-day return policy. So if you get it and for some reason you don't like it, contact them back. You can send it back. They'll give you your money back. So you can't really lose on it. They have a 1-year warranty. So if there's any issues with them, they will take care of you on that as well. These things are great chairs. I'm going to try out the other chair now. You can see how it looks like for a guy my size. I'm 6 foot. I weigh about 200 pounds sitting in one of these. So you'll be able to see the difference. So I'm going to switch the chairs around so you guys can get it there. All right, now we're in the other chair. For me, not as comfortable as the bigger chair, but this chair is a little smaller, a little more compact. So it's up to you and your personal preference. Again, it doesn't push on me too bad, but it does push a little because the chair's slightly smaller. But still, for packability, this is a nice chair. And the back goes up high enough to where you can feel comfortable with it. These might be the ones you want to purchase for your kids or maybe your wife if she's smaller or something. And then you purchase the high back chair for yourself or whoever else might want the high back chair. They do have sales going on for these things. Like I mentioned, they have a bunch of different colors and a bunch of different outdoor gear. I mean, I'm impressed with the quality so far. I can't complain. These were sent to us. This isn't a sponsored video. It's just they sent these to us for review. We're giving our honest review, and we have used a lot of these chairs. But like I said, I promise I'm going to show you one of these other chairs. So let me go snap that together, and I'll show you what that one looks like. All right, here's one of the other chairs we were using up till we got these chairs. This chair is lightweight and portable. I mean, you can see the bag it comes in that's it for the size. But this does take 3 times as long to put together. Even though it just snaps together, it's got adjustable feet if you want a little more height on your base. You can make your legs go a little longer. Everything is like that tent cord in there to help snap it together. But still, you can put the length of leg right here. That's as tall as it would go here. So you can adjust that a little bit if you want to be a little higher off the ground. But I mean, this one's really lightweight, of course. But like I said, this one we used all the time. It's one of the popular ones you would find. But after we got these chairs, it goes up so much faster and they're more comfortable, especially this high back chair. This one here will probably get retired, or maybe if we have somebody come along, they can use this chair. We'll use the good chairs, but not a bad chair right there either, but not as good as these ones. We haven't had this as long as that one. That one's still working, and you would feel with the thin pipes that this is going to be, you would feel that it's going to break on you. I mean, you always had that unsteady feeling when you're on this, but so far it hasn't broken or bent or anything. So, I mean, it does work. Don't get me wrong, but after having this high back one, there's no going back. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns about these chairs or anything in the video, please let us know down below, and we will get to all those comments. Also, if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, we will leave links to it down below and to their website if you want to go check them out. They have sales going on for stuff all the time. And if we can get a discount code, we'll leave that down there for you as well. Some of the links might be affiliate links. That helps our channel. No cost to you. You can go over there and click the link and do your normal shopping. That'd be great. Also want to mention that a lot of you aren't subscribed to the channel. We have a bunch that watch the videos but don't subscribe. you could just take a minute, click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime, and it helps our channel out, and we can grow a little faster. That'd be great with your guys' help. So until next time, guys, we want to thank you for watching the video and try something new.
Whenever your heart is broken,